Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the app icon color on your iPhone running iOS 18. Alright, let's begin. Changing the app icon color is a new feature introduced in iOS 18 that allows you to customize the look of your device's home screen. This feature gives you the flexibility to personalize your iPhone by adding a pop of color to your app icons. To get started, tap and hold an empty space on your home screen until the app icons start to jiggle. Then tap at it at the top left corner of the screen and then select Customize. Then tap Tinted. Now you have the ability to customize the app icon colors. So go ahead and move the slider and choose a color you like. You can also tap on the color picker, move it just like this, and choose a color from your wallpaper. To save changes, simply tap on the home screen. This is exactly how you can change the app icon color on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can change the app icon color on your iPhone running iOS 18. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.